So starting this year in a daily time frame today, I want to show you some very interesting scenario which is unfolding right now here with Bitcoin price action. Because if we look at this ascending channel, now the price of Bitcoin has broken the support from this ascending channel, because we knew since couple of months this ascending channel lower line was a strong line of support, and each and every time the price found support around that area, after that we saw some really nice relief rally type of scenario. But in our case, you can see this daily is clearly below this support line. Now the question here is it going to be a beginning of a new trend here to the downward direction, or is it going to be just like here with the past Bitcoin price action, a weak rejection, right, and price again starting this new impulsive movement? So that's why, guys, if you want to find out what exactly could be playing out next, then do watch this video till the end. And also, if you haven't destroyed that like button, then please do it right now. So guys, let me show you whether this trend is actually weakening, or is this just going to be a temporary pullback before price starts breaking here to the upper direction. Now if we look at these indicators, you can see the indicators are clearly showing us the weakness in price action, because you know this crossover what we witness is actually a bearish crossover. Bearish crossover happens when this red line, which is the 50 exponential moving average, crosses over this 20 exponential moving average. When we had that here in past Bitcoin price action, you can see after that we started this downward rally here as well. After the bearish crossover, we started this downward rally. So right now this exact scenario could be playing out here in price action of Bitcoin. So that is one reason to not over leverage yourself at this current stage, because you can see the trend here is clearly weakening. Not just only the bearish crossover here to the upside using this EMA, but also to the downside. You can see the MACD is still a bearish MACD cross, RSI line still below 50 level, and T3CCI also in a negative territory, indicating the weakness here in price action of Bitcoin. So that's why, guys, that's why the potential here for price to start this downward movement is higher compared to the upper direction. Not just only because of these indicators. If you are aware, according to this Wyckoff market cycle, right now where we are finding ourselves could be this redistribution phase, because according to the redistribution phase, according to Wyckoff, you can see price usually shows this bigger retracement, starts consolidating, even shows this fake out, right, fake out, and then again starts this downward rally. And now if you focus at this area, you can see a bigger price retracement, just like here, consolidation, fake out, and price starting this downward rally to form this actual accumulation phase. And only after that we could be starting this new markup phase for Bitcoin. So guys, that's why we have to be very careful at this current stage, because right now the trend here is weakening. So we have to monitor this price movement very carefully, because we know in the immediate short term, if we look at this scenario one more time, guys, in the past Bitcoin price action, losing the support or failing to break out of this 0.618 has led to a bigger price retracement. So I made you very clear, if in our case the price of Bitcoin is going to fail to stay above this 42,000, then this could also be a fake out, and price could be starting this actual downward movement, just like here from past Bitcoin price action. And this exact scenario is also playing out right now with Bitcoin price action. So guys, I am showing you with many different scenarios that right now the trend is actually weakening, but it doesn't mean we are not going to see any sort of impulsive movement, because we know today is a Saturday and maybe in a weekend we might see some impulsive movement playing out. But you know, weekend pumps should not be trusted. So that's why, guys, that's why even in a smaller time frame, you can see the price of Bitcoin right now is showing a clear sign of weakness. And beside this, if you also look at this broadening wedge scenario, which I talked in my yesterday's video, this upper line did not let the price to break out of it, and each and every time we got a rejection, we got gravitated towards the lower line area. And in our case, the lower line area is around 38,400, 38,500. So maybe if this trend is going to show a further retracement, then this lower line is where we are getting gravitated, which could be around 38,500, 38,400 range, and again showing some sort of impulsive movement, right, just a fake out, and then again start this downward rally here in this manner. So this are some of the interesting scenarios that I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed this kind of short update, then please hit the like button, and also for those individuals watching for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye.